Good day. My name is Nate Rudolph. I serve as Superintendent of Schools for Cambridge-Isanti School District. I'm excited today to be in Mrs. Kaylee Cook's first grade class with Lennon here, and then we're going to meet a couple other students, and we are talking about science and STEAM today. And so STEAM, for anybody who may not be familiar, stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. So there's a lot that goes into a STEAM program, which we are building and getting ready for next year. So today I'm talking with Lennon about their science journal. Let's talk about your science journal. It's right here. What can you show me some of the things that you've been doing in science with that?
My favorite one is probably what we're doing right now.
What is that?
Mealworms.
Mealworms?
Which are over there.
You have mealworms going. I see here it says they have they need food and shelter. You have in your journal. Water
and air.
And air. That's awesome. So are these observations that you've been doing? That's a big word. Do you know that word, observation?
Yes.
What does that mean with the mealworm? What do you do when you observe?
Well, observation means that you observe and write.
See?
Yes.
What you observe and what you see. What do you see when you look at a mealworm? What do they look like usually?
Squirmy.
They look squirmy. That's a good word for them. I see you've drawn a picture. Sometimes it's good once you observe that you draw pictures in your journal, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So there's another thing here that I'm curious about. There's this big box, and it's a Breakout EDU box is what I'm told. And what can you tell me about this?
Well, all I can say is that we need to find clues, work together, and find the right code, and then type it in.
So you have clues that you need to find and figure out. Do you work on a team with this project?
I mean, your whole team is the whole class.
Oh, it's a whole class project. Very good. And you get clues, and then you work together as a whole class team to figure some things out? And then what do the clues tell you?
The clues tell you, like, which lock, which key to go for, and, like, all those things.
And sometimes challenges like these look really hard. Tell me about what you do when you get stuck sometimes.
I don't really get stuck.
You don't?
Not really.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I am now here with Avery. And Avery, we're going to talk about science today.
Okay.
And some of the things you do in Mrs. Cook's class. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
What can you tell me about, Avery, about, this is a big journal. You have a lot of stuff in here, I can tell. This is...
I really want to find the whale, the Arctic whale.
I see it.
Right here, right next to it.
Very cool. Tell me about the Arctic whale.
It's part dolphin.
It is?
It's the biggest dolphin.
Okay.
And it has two fins.
Yeah.
The back fin and the front fin.
Very good.
So these help it go, and these help it stay on track.
Like balance?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And help it turn.
Oh, what does it eat? Do you know? Do you remember?
Fish.
Fish? Okay. Very
And
good.
maybe jellyfish.
Maybe jellyfish.
And sharks.
Maybe.
I read it in a book.
You did? Very good. You know a lot about orca whales.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what's your favorite part about science?
Would be working together, building, and having fun.
Having fun. Well, we are talking today, and I am with Brooklyn here, or Brooke, she likes to be called. What do you do with a bin like this as a class? Do you know?
We do STEAM.
You do STEAM stuff? Like what kind of things do you think about?
We've built airplanes. You have to try and get it not too light, but not too heavy.
Oh, so you problem solve and you build?
Mm-hmm.
There's a big E word. It's called engineering. Is that kind of what you're doing? You're engineering and then you're building?
And then if it doesn't work out, then we have to retry.
Then you just retry. That is science.